Hey yo unicorns, welcome to the Z World. In this video I'm going to create the very colorful eye makeup look, so let's play with the colors. The colors that I will be using in this video are going to be pink, cyan, blue, yellow, orange and red. So grab those colors. What I've done here is I filled in the eyebrow with black eyeshadow, but you can use any other eyebrow product to fill in your eyebrows that you like the most. Okay, so on to the lid. The first color that I've applied is pink. Again, I'm using flash colors. If you know me, you know that I always use flash colors first, and then to set them, I use the same colored powder eyeshadows. After the pink color, I've applied the cyan color and I tried to blend them both together beautifully. You guys, do not judge at this moment. This is just a really very rough idea of how this eye look will turn out. I'm just applying the colors here. Now it's time for the dark blue color, and I'm applying it onto the outer V section and a little bit onto our lower lash line. Now with this blending brush, I'm blending these three colors together. And guys, I'm not using any powder eyeshadow to blend these colors here. After that, we will cut the crease, and for that we will use the Q-tip. Now it's time for the yellow color. Yes, this is also a flash color. Let's just apply it onto the inner corner only. Do not drag it onto our middle lid. And now it's time for the orange color, and we are applying it onto the middle lid section. And for the outer corner, we are applying red color. This is a rough idea, not the actual colorful eye makeup. Let's just blend these colors together with the blending brush. At this moment, we are blending only yellow, orange and red color. After blending these flash colors together, we will apply the same colored powder eyeshadow on top of each so that it will look more colorful. The first powder color is yellow, and after that we will move on to our orange color. Let's just set these colors one by one with same colored powder eyeshadow. To highlight the arch of the eyebrow, I am using this white highlighter shade. After that, we will smoke out our colorful eye makeup look a little bit, not too much. I am drawing eyelashes here. What you can do is just apply some false eyelashes or mascara onto your actual eye. Do whatever you like. And we are almost done. Finishing touches. I hope you like this video, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to turn on the bell notification next to it, and please share this video with your friends and everyone else. See you next time next week on Thursday. Thanks for watching.